Hello, everyone. Long time no see. It's been a while, but been busy with work and also watching the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial. Uh, I'm one of those people who actually watches like the entire trial. I don't like to watch just clips. I like to get all the information. I've watched a few trials, and when I do, I like to watch like the entire day because I want to get all the information. Again, I don't want to just go off of clips. And I mean, they're very long, the days, so I've been watching it, like, on the treadmill, on the public transportation, when I'm walking. I have it playing on YouTube, so it's not like I'm sitting at home just, like, watching 8 hours of a trial. I don't have that kind of time, so it's just kind of as I'm doing stuff, I've been listening to the trial, and I'm gonna watch the verdict. I know it's been out, but I've been kind of I was at work when it was out. I told everyone, "Don't tell me," because I wanna react to it myself, and I haven't been looking on social media or anything because I wanna react to it, but I just wanna offer what I think before I watch the verdict. So, if you're in case you haven't seen my channel before or the recent videos and shorts that I've posted, I am on Johnny's side, and not just because I'm a fan of Johnny. It's just also because of what I've seen in the trial, the evidence. I feel like the evidence just favors him more, and that's why I also think the jury voted in his favor. Also because like I felt the verdict came very quickly. I didn't think they were going to make a decision already. I thought it was going to take longer. And in my head, I thought in my head. Like, obviously, it's gonna be in my head. But I thought if the verdict took longer, if they took the jury, sorry, if the jury took longer to reach a verdict, that it would probably go to Amber. But since they got to a verdict pretty quickly, I thought it probably went towards Johnny because I feel just the preponderance of the evidence favored him. He had a lot more witnesses and actual like more credible professionals on his side, and he also had better lawyers. Amber, like, she was just not like, everything about Amber's side was not very great. Like, she was obviously just lying. I mean, I'm not saying about every little thing. Some of the things she said might have been true, but just like, I thought it was very obvious she was lying and she was just being overdramatic, showed all the signs of histrionic personality disorder that Dr. Curry pointed out. Her lawyer's not very likable, not as good, I think, as Johnny's, and also just not likable. Like, Johnny's team and witnesses more likable. Amber's not really. She didn't have as many witnesses, and some of the professionals she had were just like unlikable, not really as credible or professional. So all of that didn't really help Amber. And then, she brought up Kate Moss, so that helped Johnny's side. So I think the jury's gonna go with Johnny. So without further ado, let's get to the verdict. And Johnny's not here. That's fine though. I kind of wish he was here. I wanted to see his reaction, but it's okay. We just
All right, Mr. Foreperson, is this the verdict of the jury?
trying to look
All right, is it unanimous?
like a victim right now.
Thank you, sir. Jamie?
Okay, gotta look like a victim. All right.
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath," that has to change.
Pauline.
In the Washington Post online edition.
I agree.
Quote, "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about...
Okay, I have to say, she freaking admitted it. Like, the last day in her rebuttal cross-examination, like, when Camille Vasquez is amazing. She's a queen. She's my new girl crush. She's just one of the most amazing women ever. But she freaking got Amber to admit, like, that's why I wrote the op-ed about Johnny. Like, that proves your case right there. So, of course.
Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Oh, yeah.
2.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Happy dance. Happy dance. Yes, on all counts. Of course. Of course it was malice. She knew it wasn't true and she still published it. That's malice. Like her countersuit saying that, like, oh, Johnny's lawyer statements hurt my career. Like, she was reaching. She was like, she couldn't sue Johnny for anything that he said. So she's like, let me sue him for something his lawyer said. But his lawyer, it was not malice because the lawyer believed what he was saying was true. And that's why he said it. Whereas her, she knew it wasn't true and she still said it. That's the difference. And that, stop trying to look all sad, Amber. You're sad that you lost your career. You ruined your own life, okay? Not Johnny. You did. And somebody made a good point on social media. I saw, like, Amber Heard had the perfect life and she ruined it. She did. She was with an amazing man, a man so many people would love to be with, me included, fellow INFP. And he's wonderful, and you mess it all up. And I feel so bad for Johnny, but he is vindicated now. Woo! I wish we could see his reaction, but I'm just so happy for him. I wish I could give him a hug. My gosh. So many of us, I know, we want to give him a hug. Pauline, when asked why she was there, she even said something like, I'm here because of the op-ed I wrote about my ex-husband. Yeah, it should have ended there, right? Yep. She said it like twice. I mean, I'm thankfully the jury was smart, like, because I was kind of scared they would be not, like, because some juries have been dumb. Trayvon Martin, case, that's one example. But Florida, Casey Anthony, Trayvon Martin, I guess you cannot rely on Florida juries. Sorry if you're from Florida. But luckily this was not in Florida. If this was in Florida, if this trial was in Florida, Amber Heard probably would have won. So thank goodness it was not. But yeah, she pretty much admitted it twice. So the jury thankfully picked up on that.
As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled,
oh, sorry, that Bruce kit slip up as well. Yep.
A transformative moment for women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes.
Because she admitted it
Question,
twice.
the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes.
Because she admitted it.
Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes.
Yeah, because the jury's smart.
Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Woo!
3. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled "A Transformative Moment for Women" in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes.
Yeah, because she admitted it. And if the jury would not have realized that, they would be dumb. But luckily they're smart. And I'm just reacting the way, like, I feel like the audience, is that what you're called? I don't know, the people that are just watching there. That's how they want to react. The way I'm reacting right now, like this, that's how that's how they're reacting inside, but they can. So I'm doing it for them. All right.
Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes.
Duh.
Question,
Answer,
the statement
duh.
was false. Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes.
Answer, duh.
Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes.
Yeah.
Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is.
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million.
All right. He asked for, I think, 50 million, or was that? Yeah, but 10 million, still something. Still something. I mean, she probably can't pay even the 10 million. So, but it's something.
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million. In civil case number CL 2019,
Wait, what?
punitive damages in the amount of actual malice. Answer, yes.
There's something.
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million.
Wait, I'm confused. So is this, she has to pay him 15 million total? I don't know. I don't even understand that part.
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp.
Okay, so I guess, yeah, this is now the countersuit. All right.
1. As to this statement appearing in the April 8, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no.
Also, I have to say, like, that case I felt was so weak, that claim, because first of all, like, the op-ed that she wrote about Johnny Depp, like, everyone was talking about it, everyone, like, heard about it, tweeted about it, whatever. Like, I didn't even read it, and I heard about it. And this, she was reaching to sue Johnny for something, and she couldn't find anything to sue him for, so that's why now she's like, oh, I'm gonna sue him because of something his lawyer said. And also, who even, like, I thought this claim was weak because I'm like, who even heard these statements by this lawyer? Like, I didn't hear about them. I don't think the general public even knew these statements. So how did it hurt you, Amber? How did these statements by his lawyer hurt you when, like, nobody even heard about them? So she was reaching this so bad. Pauline, she probably thought Johnny would just sit around and do nothing like he used to, INFP duh, and didn't imagine it would come to light like this. Yeah, probably. But he fought back. Woo, you can only hurt us so much. So the truth, goodness wins out in the end, baby.
2. As to this statement appearing in the April 27th, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, "Quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick.
Nobody
The
read
officers
that.
came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
Really?
Has Ms. Heard proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp, made or published the statement? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Ms. Heard. Answer,
Oh yeah.
yes.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Question, the statement was seen by someone other than Ms. Heard. Answer, yes.
Yes, but not that many people. Like, no, that was not. Those quotes were not really talked about because I don't think really anyone really read them. And I just want to say, Mr. Rotten Born. I love the way Johnny would say that. Rotten, Mr. Rotten Born. Who's also so concerned about wasting the court's time. Your client wastes the court's time and Johnny's time and our time with all of this. Okay, so you guys are the ones wasting everyone's time, not Johnny. All right.
Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven by clear and convincing evidence that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice?
Malice?
Answer, yes.
Really? No, I disagree.
3.
I disagree because I agree with, Johnny's lawyers. They were saying like he was saying that because he actually believed it. He wasn't saying with the intent to like hurt Amber, whereas she knew it was a lie. She still said her thing.
As to this statement appearing in the April 27th, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, "We've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp," end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no.
Yeah, because she didn't prove all of them.
As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
Does either side wish to have the jury poll?
That's so pathetic.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Jamie?
Members of the jury, if this is your verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Juror number 6. Yes. Juror number 10.
Yes.
Juror number 15.
Yes.
Juror number 16.
Yes.
Juror number 22.
Yes.
Juror number 27.
Yes.
Juror number 29.
Yes.
All right. I do find that the jury's verdict is unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your service in this case. I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial. And I know I speak for everybody here when I tell you that we appreciate your sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay? So I'm going to have you go back to the jury deliberation room for one more time, and then we'll release you from there, okay? All right, thank you.
Oh my gosh, Camille and Ben! I love you! They're amazing. Heart for Camille and Ben and all of Johnny's other lawyers. We can't forget them. They all did a great job. I was very impressed by all the lawyers. Like, compared to Amber's, first of all, very respectful. Like, they were like tough, but still likable at the same time. And I felt like they were really, for the most part, like prepared, and they just likable, you know, and they were good at their job. I thought their closing arguments were really good. Oh man, and Camille's cross examination of the ones that she did against Amber, like probably some of the best television I've ever seen in my life. Even though it was, online, but like that's one of the best things I've ever witnessed in my life. Like I'm gonna go back and just watch her cross examinations of Amber because it was beautiful, so beautiful. And I like that Camille was the one to, question Amber, because if they would have, if it was Ben who had done it or any other male lawyer, people would be like, sexism, sexism. It's like, no, he's just doing his job. But now, but if it's a woman, they can't really say that, but I still saw, stupid people trying to be like, was this question by Camille misogynistic? It's like, shut up. Like, seriously, not everything is sexist, you freaking annoying people who want to get offended for everything. Just saying. So Camille and Ben, you guys are amazing. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna switch to another video because I want to kind of just see like how they reacted after. So I'm gonna try to share that with you guys because I love them. I like they're my like I love Matthew Rosengart. That's Britney Spears' lawyer who, got her finally freed from her conservatorship. So I love him. He's a great lawyer. And now I love Ben Chu and Camille Vasquez. Camille Vasquez, great role model for girls. Like, but I feel bad now because she's probably gonna be like followed by paparazzi all the time because she's pretty much like famous now thanks to this trial. So but Camille, you're awesome. You need to be famous. More people need to be like you. We need more Camille Vasquez's and less Kardashians. My opinion, just saying. So now let's see how they're reacting. Ben looks so happy. All right. Play.
Everybody here, when I tell you that we appreciate your sacrifices
Oh,
and your time and your public service.
Camille's so happy.
So I'm going to have you go back to the jury deliberation room for one more time, and then we'll release you from there, okay? All right, thank you.
I wish Johnny was there, but I'm just, he's probably so relieved, so happy. Go have a drink, Johnny. Oh, wait, sorry. Probably not. Just celebrate the other way you want. Just, yeah. Woo! Sorry, I didn't mean to say have a drink. It's just that's usually what you do when you celebrate sometimes.
Okay. In accordance with law, I will amend the punitive damages award to the statutory cap of $350,000 for Mr. Depp's award, okay? I will set this down for entry of an order, and can we do it on June 24th at 10 a.m. if that's available? All right, so Mr. Chu, if you could prepare that order and then circulate it to Ms. Butterhoff, and we can have all the objections noted on it. All right? All right, and if I get it before that date, I'll take it off the docket. Okay. All right. Again, thank you to all the attorneys for your professionalism, and you're welcome to come to my courtroom anytime. We'll give you
only Johnny's lawyers, Rottenborn and Karen lawyer. No, not. They could have done better.
but then you can come anytime. Okay. All right. The court is adjourned. Thank you.
Court is adjourned. Okay. Oh, Amber trying to look all sad like a victim. Cry me a river, girl. Cry me a freaking river. The nightmare's over for Johnny. Truth prevailed in the end. Nice to see all the lawyers, hugging each other, celebrating. You guys all did a great job. Amazing. Man, if I need a lawyer, I want them. I can't afford them, but I would want someone like them. And there's Whitney looking all, mad. She was, I don't know if you saw her in the last few days. Oh, yay, they're celebrating. Yay, Team Depp. Celebrate. Oh, Ben looks so happy. Camille. I wish I was there. Oh, I love this group hug. Enough peas. We love the love. We love the hugs. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, that young one. Like that young guy. He was like, it looked like he was wiping away tears. Oh my God. Kind of want to cry too. Kind of go, they're like, oh, Camille's crying. They're all crying. Oh no. Don't make me cry. Oh God. Oh, I just can't imagine Johnny right now. Sorry, I call him Johnny like I know him, but I love to see how happy and like, oh, See, Camille was crying. She was like wiping her nose. I'm getting a little teary eye right now. I'm so happy. See, Amber, this is what it looks like when you actually cry. All right. No, they cried more there than Amber cried her entire testimony for. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna switch to them. I think they're gonna make like a statement after, but before, let me see what Pauline has to say. Pauline, that was like a consolation prize that she didn't deserve. Oh, yeah, like the 2 million. Pauline, oh no, I'm crying now too. Yeah, so beautiful. Amber Heard couldn't even cry properly when she was on the stand. There was no career to run for her. True. Okay.
Outside the courtroom where you can see these fans, as I said, every time
Okay. Oh my gosh.
was read in favor of a huge crowd cheers.
So the crowd was cheering. Okay, I want to see when they come out. Can we see when they come out? Or no? Oh, they're gonna make a statement. Okay, I want to show the video where they make a statement. Team Depp makes a statement. So let's check that out. Oh, Johnny, I'm so happy for Johnny. Oh my god, like just imagine how he feels like 6 years. And I always believed like in him. Like when I first heard, I was like, I didn't really make a decision when I first heard the allegations when she like filed the restraining order, because I was like, I don't know what happened, so I was like, I'm going to wait for the evidence to come out. So I wasn't like Team Heard, Team Depp, really.
Both sides are going to come out
Probably.
probably.
Like, let's just wait. That's what I thought. And then as I heard more and more, and then I heard that, the recordings of Amber and Depp, and Johnny like a few years ago, I was like, okay, Amber's obviously the abuser. She literally said, like, admitted to hitting him, throwing stuff at him. Like, come on. So ever since then, I was on Team Johnny. And then just watching this trial and, seeing the evidence and the witnesses and everything, I'm like, yeah, Johnny's definitely the victim. I'm not saying he's perfect. You don't have to be like perfect innocent to be a victim, but like he's definitely not the abuser. So, because I hate when people are like, well, Johnny, like he still does drugs. I'm like, so first of all, Amber does drugs too. I hate how she was like acting like she was so disgusted about him doing cocaine when I'm like, girl, I know you do cocaine too. And you drank what, like 2 bottles of wine a day? Stop trying to act all innocent. At least Johnny wasn't acting innocent. He admitted he had these issues and she was like acting all innocent. So shut up, girl. Like, it's so annoying. Also, just because you drink alcohol and do drugs, did you have a substance abuse problem, doesn't make you automatically an abuser. And I hate when people would equate that, because I'm like, well, Amber did that stuff too. So, you can also be sober and be an abuser too. Doesn't mean they don't have to both coexist. All right. Okay, so now let's see the statement.
Make a statement, maybe Johnny Depp's team. Oh, here's some activity now. So can we go in live to that camera, guys? Wow, you can hear the cheers erupting. I can only assume that is the Depp legal team coming outside right now. They're taking their real live victory lap in real time. I'm going to go to the podium.
Yes. Oh. Love you, Ben and Camille. Sorry if I'm getting too much.
And here they are approaching the podium. Ben Chu, Camila Vasquez, the rest of the Johnny Depp legal team.
We love all of you. Thank you. Where's the volume? Oh no, I want to hear. What the frick? Where's the volume? Mics better work. Let's go.
Hi, everyone. Today's verdict confirms what we have said from the beginning, that the claims against Johnny Depp are defamatory and unsupported by any evidence. We are grateful, so grateful to the jury for their careful deliberation, to the judge and the court staff who have devoted an enormous amount of time and resources towards this case.
Our judicial system is predicated on each person's right to have his or her case heard, and we were honored, truly honored, to assist Mr. Depp in ensuring that his case was fairly considered throughout the trial. We are also most pleased that the trial has resonated for so many people in the public who value truth and justice. Now that the jury has reached its conclusive verdict, it's time to turn the page and look to the future. Thank you all so much, and thanks to the jury.
Thank you so much.
Guys, have you spoken to Johnny? How is he feeling? How's Johnny feeling?
Will Johnny and Amber ever speak to each other again?
Ms. Vasquez, is this the end of the matter? Ms. Vasquez, will there be any more legal action?
Is Mr. Johnny Depp going to run for office?
Well, there you have it. Attorneys for Johnny Depp not taking any questions right now. They made a brief statement. They have gotten into their SUV. I can see a lot of movement behind me as crowds sort of gather to watch, presumably as their SUV starts to pull away. Cheers in their favor, questions being thrown at them. I heard someone say, will Johnny Depp and Amber Heard ever speak to each other again, to the attorneys? It's a good question, actually.
No. Why? Why would he?
And I guess that's it for now. Some of what they said.
That was it. That's who the heck asked that? Why would you even want him to talk to her? He can't even look at her, which I totally understand. Like, why would he want to talk to her? Why do you even want him to talk to her? Like, no. I wonder if he posted something on his Instagram. Let's see. I'm looking at Johnny's right now. Okay. 15 hours ago. Oh my gosh. He posted a statement. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry reading it. Oh god. Let me like bring it up on his Instagram so you guys can like see it. He posted something 15 hours ago. Was this when the verdict came out? Let me do the math. I think it was. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna cry. Shoot. Just, oh my god. Whew, okay. Let's read Johnny's statement. Oh my gosh. See, Amber, these are real tears. Okay. Oh my god, let's read Johnny's statement. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna bring it up for you guys. Let's share a screen. Let's read what Johnny has to say on his Instagram. Oh god. And the reason, okay, I'm gonna follow him. Sorry. This was from a different account, so not my main one. All right, let's see what he says. So let me bring it up a little bit. 6 years ago, my life. Wait, oh god, I wanted it to be the same size. Okay, there we go. 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed in me were forever changed, all in the blink of an eye. False, very serious, and oral criminal allegations were levied at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content. Although no charges were ever brought against me, it had already traveled around the world twice within a nanosecond, and it had a seismic impact on my life and my career. And 6 years later, the jury gave me my life back. I am truly humbled. Oh. I'm sorry. I have to take a moment. Oh, Johnny. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing... my decision to pursue this case, knowing very well the height of the legal hurdles that I would be facing and the inevitable worldwide spectacle into my life, was only made after considerable thought. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case, sorry, it's kind of hard to read, was to reveal the truth regardless of the outcome. Speaking the truth was something that I owed to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that. Oh, I know that's what you wanted. I know that's what you wanted, Johnny. I am and have been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and the colossal support and kindness from around the world. I hope that my quest to have the truth be told will have helped others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, and that those supporting them never give up. I also hope that that the position will now return to innocent until proven guilty, both within the courts and in the media. I wish to acknowledge the noble work of the judge, the jurors, the court staff, and the sheriffs who have sacrificed their own time to get to this point, and to my diligent and unwavering legal team who did an extraordinary job in helping me to share the truth. Oh, see, he's so sweet. Just, thanking all these people that, you know, worked in the court. The best is yet to come, and a new chapter has finally begun. Veritas numquam perit, truth never perishes. Johnny Depp, UK 622. Oh, Johnny, we love you. Oh. So nice to hear from him. Oh, I'm so happy for him. I'm just happy, this nightmare is over. And Amber, girl, you ruined your life. Sorry, I have to go to work, so I'm trying not to cry a lot. But this definitely made me cry. Lewis, this makes no sense. Why is this live now? Also, out of everything that's going on, why does this matter? I'm doing it live because I'm watching it. I'm live streaming. I'm not saying it's happening right now live. And I know there's other stuff going on, but this is just something that I'm covering, and I'm still keeping up with other stuff. But I don't feel as knowledgeable about it to report on it. So I'm not going I read about it and I know what's going on, but this is not a news channel. And it doesn't make sense for me to be talking about things that I'm not as knowledgeable about. Like, do you really want me to start talking about war when I don't work in government? Like, I'm not a war general. Like, that's not my area of expertise. Do you think that really makes sense? Then everyone would just be telling me, shut up, you don't know what you're talking about. So I still keep up with the news. And again, this is not a news channel. So this is just a story I've been covering here. And if you don't like it, you don't have to watch it. All right. Okay. So Johnny, oh my gosh, what the frick? Let's stop sharing that. What the heck? Sorry. I don't know what's going on there. But thank you, Pauline. Thank you to everyone for commenting her awesome comments. And, thank you to everyone who believed in the truth. And those of you supporting Amber, I can't wait to see what stories you're going to make up as to why she's still the victim. All right. Johnny, so happy for you. I wish I could give you a hug. And again, Ben Chu, Camille Vasquez, amazing work. And you guys are just some of my favorite lawyers ever. Matthew Rosengart as well. Nice to see some good lawyering out there. And thanks for watching. And hopefully, Johnny will, be able to get his career back. And Amber, good luck, girl. You did this to yourself. Whitney, I don't know what happened. Like, you kind of look like a witch at the end. Like, just very angry. Don't know why you lied for your sister, but I wouldn't be surprised if they face perjury charges, which I think they should, because they've literally lied on the stand. So we'll see what happens with that. All right. Have a great day, Johnny. So happy for you. I'm so glad this is over. And again, yes, new chapter in your life. Send you a big hug. Bye. Just as the truth prevails.